What if?
Bro, why are you sitting under this Buddha and meditating?
Frustration, bro, frustration. Marks have been frustrating me. I don't know where I'll be using this in real life, but my parents have been asking me to get marks, and these marks I don't know where to apply them in real life. What should I do with these marks, bro? Hello everyone, I'm Malla and I'm from Team STEMQuest. And today I'm going to share about a solution that I believe can help us solve a problem that all of us face. Learning. Yep, learning. Do you feel interested in learning? No. From our young age, parents have been forcing us to read, study, get great marks and then be the class topper. But why do we study in the first place? Is there any reason for that? Yep. And that's why we are not able to understand anything. It seems so boring to sit in front of a textbook and keep reading. How many of us have that frustration? Definitely I am. So today, me and my friends have come up with a solution that we believe can help solve this. So, now the solution. What if? So our solution has 4 stages. The first one, thrilling, seamlessly integrated comics into an action thriller comic. So we'll try to learn through actually diving and solving the mystery of a thriller comic. Next part, let's now dive into some creativity and get our hands dirty with some experiments like screw gauges and then origami. That's something that you can do with your bare hands and try to visualize. The next thing, I'll just come in a second. Next part of our solution is to actually assess how much we have learned. Solving fun crossword puzzles, solving fun MCQ quizzes, competing with your friends. Let's try to make sure that we have learned the most. Is now the most interesting part and my most favorite part. That is VR. Engaging with VR. All of you heard about Vision Pro, right? Sold for 4 lakhs by Apple. Let's try to bring that to all of us and then try to learn and visualize our hypothetical questions. Why is chlorophyll green? Why does the solar system work the way it does? All of this, let's try to imagine those hypothetical situations and then learn to the corest of core concepts. Wouldn't that be cool? Thank you.